Number 1. Midland Motorcycle Helmet Bluetooth. The BTR1 Advanced Twin Motorcycle Bluetooth Intercom and Communication Headset brings unrivaled communication to motorcyclists by offering one-to-one as well as conference communication. For up to 4 people at an intercom range of 1200 m, maximum distance of 3/4 mile between helmets, across Midland devices as well as other brands. These motorcycle helmet accessories make staying connected easy. Number 2. FODSPORTS Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset 2-Pack. FX6 helmet-to-helmet communication system is easy to install. Boom mic for 3/4 open face helmet/flip-up modular helmet, button mic for full face helmet. Button is large and integrated. Access phone assistant is easy even with gloves on. Volume and track control on the Bluetooth motorcycle headset is simple and straightforward. Number 3. Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset version 5.2 with music sharing. The XGP Motorcycle Bluetooth headset is only 39 g weight and 15 mm thick. With its lightweight design, the XGP fits perfectly onto the helmet, providing a feather-like lightness and virtually no burden, giving you a seamless riding experience without any constraints. The installation is simple and secure, requiring no additional tools such as complicated screws. Number 4. TKX4SC Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset. TKX4SC Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset can connect up to 6 people and easily communicate up to 2 kilometers, 1.2 miles, keeping you connected with your group during your motorcycle ride. The maximum communication distance is 800 m in two-way intercom. It also featured music sharing, allowing 2 riders to enjoy the same song simultaneously during their journey. Number 5. Gearelec Motorcycle Helmet Bluetooth Headset. This Bluetooth motorcycle headset can connect 2 mobile phones at the same time. When 8 people talk, the maximum call distance can reach about 2000 m without obstacles. Please note that the communication distance may vary depending on the surrounding obstacles and radio environment. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.